Yep, so what we need to do is wait for the flashing green lights. There we go, so it's now got the home location. We've got our line set up with 3 baits running back to the reel. And
look who's on it.
We've got Mike on it. He's never operated a drone before. So to start it, we pull the sticks down and together. And
Most of these together?
Yep, and once it starts, you let them go, then you push this one up towards halfway.
So we just pull both down?
Down and together.
Oh, and like that?
Yep, yeah, down and in. And there we go, let them go. And whoops, just a little. So it's down together until it starts, and then a little bit of throttle. So we'll just go back to square one again.
So start again?
Yep, we'll start again.
Down, and then
together. Fingers off, and now a bit of power. Whoops, a little bit quicker.
There we go.
Let go, and power. Here we go. Yep, so we can now put a bit of throttle on.
So that's this one?
Yep, so push that all the way up to the top. And up we go. And now you push the other one forward slightly.
Oh, yeah.
Yep. And away you go. This goes to show you any idiot can fly them.
Yeah, Alan, you know, it's quite easy. This is manual flight. I'm aiming for that headland.
Yep, so when we want to drop, we pull that lever there back to you.
Okay, you say when?
Yep. We've got plenty of line running off there. Okay, we're running out pretty well full speed there. So anytime you want.
Yep.
Still got plenty of line there.
Right, just drop it now?
Yep, drop it now. There we go, we'll drop. Now we flick this switch here back. And now
it's going to come home.
Now it's going to come home.
So I take my hand off the throttle?
So what we can do is we bring the throttle back to halfway.
Yeah.
Yep.
And take my hand off the other one?
Yep, hand off the other one, throttle back to halfway.
Yep. So this is returning now to where we took it.
And we just flick those switches up.
Yep, the job's done.
Job's done.
Piece of cake. I can fly it, anybody can.
So we're probably out about 400 metres. There is a bit of wind blowing now. We're up about 12 knots. And then when it touches down, we move the throttle all the way down. You can leave it at halfway and it will turn off by itself, but it's still best.
As soon as it touches the ground?
Yep.
That's pretty cool, eh?
Yep. It's coming down. Yep. Throttle all the way down and just leave it and it turns itself off. Now we're going to pull to unplug the battery. Yep. So how did you find it?
Quite cool, yeah, no, it's easy, yeah. It's okay, yeah.
As easy as a Kontiki?
Easy, yeah.
Yep.
Might have to get one now.
Okay.
There is a bit of breeze here now too.
Yep, yeah, that breeze is starting to kick in. When you saw it as it was coming down to land, it was leaning slightly into that breeze.
Yeah.
But I've flown it in 25 knots of wind,
yeah,
and it's coped with it perfectly okay.